In this example, I'm going to show you how to subtract two fractions with unlike denominators using the standard algorithm. In this example problem, we're going to subtract 1/3 from 5/6. In order to do this, we are going to find a common denominator and create equivalent fractions. To find a common denominator, you have to list the multiples of each of the denominators. So first we'll start by listing all of the multiples of 6 and then 3. The first multiple that they both have in common is called the least common multiple. The least common multiple for 6 and 3 is 6. Now we will convert our original fractions into equivalent fractions with a common denominator of 6. The original fraction 5/6 will have a denominator multiplied by 1 to get the common denominator of 6, and if the denominator is multiplied by 1, the numerator has to be multiplied by 1. So 5/6 is equivalent to 5/6. In the second fraction 1/3, the denominator 3 will have to be multiplied by 2 to equal the equivalent fraction's denominator of 6. If the denominator is multiplied by 2, the numerator also has to be multiplied by 2. So 1/3 is equivalent to 2/6. Now you can subtract 5/6 minus 2/6 to get 3/6. But we have to look and see if we can reduce this fraction. And we actually can, so we're going to take 3/6 and divide the numerator and denominator by the same common factor. Their greatest common factor is 3. So if we divide the numerator and the denominator each by 3, then 3/6 reduces to 1/2, and that is the final answer. In the second example, we're going to subtract 9/10 minus 5/6. Again, we're going to type our original fractions on the left side of our slide, and then we're going to have to convert our original fractions into equivalent fractions with a common denominator. To find the common denominator, we have to list the multiples of both denominators, 10 and 6. Once you have found the first multiple that they both have in common, you can circle it, and this will be the least common multiple that will be used for the common denominator. In this example, the least common multiple of 10 and 6 is 30. Now we'll convert our original fractions into an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 30. If we start with 9/10, we have to look at what we can multiply our denominator in 9/10 by to get 30. Since our denominator is 10, we would have to multiply it by 3 to get 30, and whatever we do to the denominator, we have to do to the numerator. So if we multiply 10 by 3, we also have to multiply the numerator 9 by 3. So 9/10 equivalent fraction is 27/30. Next, we'll convert 5/6 by multiplying the denominator 6 by 5 to get 30 in the equivalent fractions denominator. And if we multiply the denominator by 5, we have to multiply the numerator by 5. So 5/6 equivalent fraction is 25/30. Now we can subtract the equivalent fractions, so 27/30 minus 25/30 equals 2/30. 2/30 can actually be reduced, so we're going to take 2/30 and divide both the numerator and denominator by a common factor. Their greatest common factor is 2, so once you divide the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2, your reduced fraction final answer is 1/15.